YouTube stream is up. Cools. Cool. All right. YouTuber stream is up. Let's go to Omori. Last time we left off, I think I had to put all the characters in the right spots. But I did it. It didn't take long. I just kind of did it off stream, like immediately after. So now everybody's in their spots and they have their animations. So it looks pretty cool. It's looking pretty cool. Do 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 do. So let's look at example 2 is off. Yeah, I mean the enemy is a little bit off. That's fine. Yeah, and I don't remember much, to be honest. Yeah, this is like the full, like what it looks like normally. I don't have the fonts or anything, or the health bars. Maybe I'll do HP. Let's flesh out the HP, I guess. HP and juice. Let's do that. And I also have it so it's actually Omori turn, Kel turn, Hero turn, Aubrey turn. So like it knows the turn order, which is kind of cool. I think after like doing the actual turns, I need to do like Omori queues up an attack. Aubrey queues up attack, Kel, then Hero. They all queue up attacks, and then at the end it does all the attacks. So I'll have to make like an action queue system. Bum 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 bum. God damn it. I feel like I have a slight fever. I'm gonna check my temperature real quick. Be right back. No, apparently I'm good. 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 All right. Let's blah 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 I probably did this the wrong way where you're automatically, these get generated as you start the battle, but like it makes more sense to probably have a placeholder and just put them in there. But whatever. Now that I think back on it, I definitely overcomplicated it a little bit. That's fine. It was an experience to make it programmatic, I guess. All right. So let's look at the we're not doing a state machine anymore. Listen to player. I don't know. Listen to player stats? Question mark, question mark? Okay. And then once it receives like a took damage kind of thing, it'll Probably tween the health down a little bit. Sprite for battle. Stats. Okay. Okay, so we're fine with this. I mean, I feel like I've been straying off the path a little bit, but we're starting to get some kind of structure, so that's fine. Player data. Player data dot. That HP? We're Fudgy, how's it going? How you doing, Fudgy? Fudgy. Player stats. There we go. We got the HPs. Good, how are you? Recovering from dying a little bit yesterday, but other than that, not too bad. Worst headache you could probably imagine. And nausea to match it. Like I don't mind having fevers, but like when you got the headache mixed with nausea, like holy shit, that's like the worst experience. Like, you got the worst of both worlds. You sound pretty bad. Excuse me, I sound like Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman over here. But, yeah, my throat is just a little messed up right now, so we're good. It's just the throat right now. I don't know what the hell I caught, but it probably doesn't help that I went to like kids cafes and just completely surrounded by a bunch of kids that might be sick. Somebody got me. Somebody got me. Thankfully, the daughter is not sick. Fudgy will make it better. Good, please. That would be awesome. Yeah, I just feel like I'm probably gonna... Oh my god, Mr. Freeman, I love your movies. You watched them all. Which one was your favorite? With chaotic energy? Yeah, scare the sickness away from my body, please. Thank you. I am ready.
Are those nipples I see?
They could be. Depending on where you're looking. There are hidden nipples somewhere on the screen. Player panel. So we'll do like a little bit of a... Boom, boom. We'll do like a slider, I guess, man. I don't know, man. Player panel. Expedition 33 music, love it. Boom, 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 na, 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 na. Da, na, na, na. How do we get the HP in there? Let me see the actual. They're all separate assets, I see. No, no, no. No, no, no. You're practicing massage together with my classmates and almost pulled the sheets off me. I had no top on. I was like died laughing because I grabbed the sheet as I felt them yank hard enough to almost get exposed. I was like, dude, be more gentle. I'm not a tablecloth. Jeez. Sounds like somebody was getting a little excited. Somebody was getting... I'll take a massage, hell. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I guess that's pretty cool. Like if you're learning massage therapy, you get a lot of massages probably too. You guys are practicing on each other. Free massage. Well, I guess maybe not free massage because you're probably paying for the education. But it does not mean the person is good yet. I tend to think I'm alright at massaging. Growing up, my dad was always like, give me a massage. I'm just like, fine. It's just like I learned this shit growing up. Boom, boom, boom. He always wanted me to walk on his back. Massage the feet. He was getting child slave labor. That's what it was. Hold on, let me zoom in. Hello? Why am I not able to? All right, fine. All right, that's fine. Let's do a new one, all right? Let's close this one. Discard. She's a little excited. There we go. So these will just perfectly fit in the side. All right, let's do it. Shoom, shoom, shoom. Let me, crop tool. I'll probably just take this. What happens when you have none? When you have none? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna do it as a whole block. Screw it. That is not what I copied. There's no way what I copied is that big. No. What's going on? Hold on. What's going on here? That's the move tool. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what just happened, but like, I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, like, I'm not gonna complain about this. Let me see, export as health bar PNG. Okay. What'd you say? You said, well, we do them at a discount at our school, and students practice on clients who come in, but I'm not there yet. After this, they'll do CPR training to pass the health exam in order to do massage for clients at school. Oh, I see. Usually they start that over the summer. It's only $25 for students and faculty, but waiting list is insane. Oh, I'm sure. A lot of people lining up. Cheap massage. God. I'm dying here. Bum ba da na na na. Bum ba na 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 na. They have the same bottom, so it should be fine, I think. Let's find out. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So if you click on the move tool, while doing that, it cuts everything out. That's interesting. I discovered this by accident. I don't know if, I guess that's how it works. I don't know, man. What the hell? That's weird. Juice bar. Boom. Bloom, bloom. Year ago, I tried to sign up before I started classes, and they wouldn't let me in the list because it was a year out or something insane. But now I'm in the program, so we each get a chance to get practice on. Awesome. Yeah, you get a bunch of massages. Though you have to give massages too. I mean, that's not bad. I usually give massages. I never receive them, so that's... My wife is terrible at giving massages. She like pushes a little bit and like I feel like nothing. So it's like it's the same as not getting one. So it's like I just like don't waste energy. I wonder if that's on purpose. Boom, 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 boom. It could always be. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop. Let's add child node. This will be a texture. Actually, this could be a progress. Texture progress bar. Yeah. That's it. Fill mode left to right, 9 patch stretch. Textures. I think I only need to do the over. I don't need to, or progress. I don't need to actually do anything else, I don't think. I made my classmate purr. He's pretty funny. Most of the time, lower back pain stems from the glutes. Yeah. The massage the sides of the glutes and lower back pain is less gone. Lesser gone. Yeah, it does. A lot of like, if you have like pain anywhere in your legs or lower back, a lot of times it can actually come from the hip area. So actually massaging anywhere around there, like to free up some stuff, would probably help a lot. I've realized this too. Like if I'm ever feeling pain, like maybe I could probably do like a massage ball like on my back a little bit, but like I'll probably focus on my butt and hips a little bit, the sides. It feels amazing. Like usually it feels super tight. Let's do Z index as, I don't know, one, whoops. This one, Z index as, oh, this one could be show over parent, right? Visibility. Oh, I think I don't see it because there's value right now. Is okay, I don't, oh, there it is. Oh, okay, cool. Dun dun. Okay, value, let's get rid of the value. Okay, so if I set the value up to 100, cool. Okay, this is probably not the intention. Maybe I should take the hearts out. I'm gonna take the heart and the juice out. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's do that. Where's my shits? That's my shit. That's my shit. Stop. Discard. Health bar. Okay. Boom. Okay, I can just do this, I guess, and then do like that. Layer. Crop to content. Perfect. Do an export. Boom, bing, bang, boozle. To the health bar. Bam. All right. Perfect. Stop. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Crop to content. Boom. Do another export. Juice bar. Okay. Ah, beautiful. Health bar. Juice bar. Perfect. Did you hear about the Discord implementing ID scanning and facial recognition thing in March? I did. Which on its face sounds really terrible. Without any additional context, the added context seems to be it won't affect the majority of people because they're also automatically identifying like who's older or what. And like if they already identified you to be like, you know, 18 or older, like that's the first way you get exempt from it. And I think the second thing is it only bars you from like adult Discord servers if they don't know that you're an adult by their automatic identification. So like it seems like a terrible policy, don't get me wrong, but it just doesn't seem like it'll affect the majority of people. We'll see. I mean, I don't think it's gonna affect me, but it'll suck once it starts identifying people that shouldn't be identified. Hope so, not that I use servers so much, Shrugs. Yeah. Yeah, it does kind of suck though. Absolutely. Absolutely. Alright, how do we... Alright, let's see if we can get this above the other one. Huh. Can I just put it side by side, I guess? I don't know. Yeah, we could do that. There we go. Yeah, that's... Wait, this is a rich text... Hold on. Where did it go? Oh, it went down there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's call this HP bar. Actually, I'm gonna call it health bar. I don't like all the caps. Health bar. Duplicate, and then this one's gonna be juice bar. Juice bar. Juice bar. Funny. Okay. So we can drag this boy down. Let's make it match. Alright. There we go. Perfect. Is that what it looks like? I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like, but... Yeah, there's a little outline. That's fine. Let's take a peek. Oh, there it is. Nice. I just use it mostly to keep in contact with a handful of people I know online. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. The only reason I use Discord a lot is because of my stream. That's about it. I would use it to play games online with friends though, occasionally. Hey, hold on, I'll be right back. Jeez, feels like I just coughed out a furball. Ugh. Ugh. All right. All right, we're back. We're back. Oh, God. Stop. Why did I go to the asset library? That was weird. Okay. Not at all what I was trying to do. All right, let's add text for the numbers. What does a full layout look like? Wait, hold on. Example 2, boom. All right. So we have small numbers over here. 175 out of 175. Okay. Cool. This is all good. Okay. So let's go ahead and set the progress bar equal to the amount that their health is, as well as have some text. Add child no rich text label. Put it after them. Health, text, juice text. There we go. Ads are finished. Welcome back from the ads. How do I stay focused on like whatever I'm clicking? I don't like that it's going to that one. Stop. All right, whatever. Let's change the font size. Theme overrides probably font sizes. 12 maybe? 10. That's probably fine. And then this one can probably be centered. Right? How do they do it here? It's at the right side. Oh, this is juice tax. Whoops. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so let's do that. Let's do text, slide over to the right, slide to the right. Oh, whoops, that's not it. Horizontal alignment, right, there we go. Out of 190, just placeholder text. All right. Actually, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm just gonna duplicate this one. Stop. Just put it above there. Health text. Position. Okay, that's probably fine. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Okay, now we have this. That's fine. That's fine. It looks a little bit like butt, but that's okay. So now we have the panel that's going to be managing the health. Let's go ahead and set this one, this one, this one, this one, all to unique names that we access. And then we'll do, we can have so we should have max HP, and then we should have HP as a different value. Max HP. Max juice. Okay. And then this should just be current HP. Current HP, and then I'll just say current juice. All right. So we got all the stats here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Jeez, man, my throat is killing me. Only because the coughs, though. Thankfully, the speaking doesn't hurt. If the speaking hurts, I probably wouldn't be able to stream. Let's set the HP. Player health. Equals player health bar is going to be a texture progress bar, which equals health bar, boom boom, player juice. All right, let's do juice bar. Unready. Okay. Let's do another one. Unready var player health text. I'm gonna get rid of player here. It's not necessary. Health text equals rich text label equals health text health. Okay, we'll do juice text as juice text. Cool. So now we'll just initialize all the values at the beginning. We do have ways to change emotions in here, which is kind of cool. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What's player data? Again, I don't remember. Player data. Okay. There's a different resource. This one has... Got it. So I think we could attach to... I could probably attach a signal here, which... export bar. Not export, we'll have bar signal, or signal took damage. Have another one, signal healed. Healed health. I would imagine that we would also need one for revived. Just everything I could possibly think of. Let's just make sure that we're initializing everything now. Let's go ahead and make it so that we can set the health. So player data. I'm just gonna comment this one out for now. Let's do health bar dot max value equals player data dot player stats dot max HP, and then this will be, we could do health text. That's fine. Health text on max value, and then we'll do juice bar. Whoops. Juice bar dot max value equals player data dot player stats dot max juice, and juice text. Okay, and then this one's gonna be juice text the max value, max juice. Yeah, that's all the same. I can copy this out. Do this now. Health bar dot value. Oh, there's no max value for health text. I'm kind of dumb. That's fine. That's fine. So health bar dot value is going to be player stats dot HP, current HP, current juice. Okay, current or value. Health text and juice text. These are going to work a little bit differently in the fact that they need value plus max value. So health text equals, this is gonna be max HP. This is like the worst way to do this, but I'm just gonna do it like this anyway because I don't care. Player data dot player stats dot current HP. Okay, plus. I'll just do str. Go to the end. Oh, health text dot. What, text? Yeah. 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 Alright. Plus. Is there a slash? Is there a space in the slash? No. Plus str player data dot player stats dot current max HP. There we go. I think that's fine. And then we can do this and replace health with juice slash G. Oh, there's only one of them. Well, rip. Max juice. All right. So now we should be able to see all the stats. Okay, that's fine. Is alive. Okay. Search resume. Stats dot current HP is greater than 0. Okay. That's fine. So that should work now. What's going on? Why is it breaking? Uh-oh. Do I have like an infinite loop or something? Why'd it break? Oh, I think I know. I think I know what happened here. I think it broke. I have like an infinite loop or something. And I think I know why. Let's just... It's in this loop right here. It's doing all these. Player is not alive. So it's just going over this whole thing. And it's just going really fast. Alright, please. Please. Everything is coming back as false, I think. But then this should close out, right? Hold on. All right, let me open up. I'm gonna just set up a breakpoint. That should fix my issue, or at least I can diagnose what's happening. Boom, boom. Okay, players. Oh, end battle. No. Okay, so let's just start here. Okay. So everything is coming back as false. Player lost, enemy lost. Oh, okay. I just did this wrong. Wait, why is this called? All right, this is like the most dumb while loop I've ever seen. Okay, so this should be player LSP restart. I'm gonna change this to player 1. Let's start with that. Like, this will never exit, and it's just running a while loop forever. This is my first issue. Second issue is that it shouldn't lose immediately. That might just be I have the HPs are all set to 0 through the resources, so that could be what it is. All right. That's exactly what it is, I think. Let's just load this back up because it doesn't seem to want to play. All right. Player 1. Enemy 1. While player... This should be an and. While player didn't win and enemy didn't win. Okay, player 1 equals enemies filter. This should be false now. False. 0 is alive, so that's it. That's it. There we go. So now this should just exit out immediately. Like, there should be no issues. Right. Yeah, they're all 0. There it is. Alright, so let's change their stats. Omori data. Stats. So max HP is gonna be 100. Let's do like 200, alright? Max juice is gonna be like 101. Current HP is gonna be 200. Current juice, or actually I'm gonna put this at 150, just to test damage. Current juice is 90? I don't know. Attack is, I don't know, 50. She's gonna hit like a truck. 40. Defense is 25. Speed is 15. I don't know. I don't know, man. We're just changing a bunch of stats. That's fine. So we'll do the same thing for everybody. What happens if I add in a level here now? Let's see what happens. So, stats. Export bar level is also an int. Okay. EXP. Experience. Bum bum. Alright, so that's fine. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna set these to random values. Hero data, he's gonna be like 190. Max juice is gonna be 200. Because he's like the supporter, right? 10. Experience, whatever. Current HP is 190. Current juice is gonna be, we'll just max him out. 25. Defense is gonna be 30. Speed 20. Alright. Cal. Can I carry over these stats to Cal? No. Alright, whatever. That would have been nice. I'd like to make some just moderate altercations with this, but fine. Cal is gonna be like 170. Max juice, he's gonna be like 140. I don't know, 10. Experience 100. Current HP is gonna be 170. Current juice. 140. Attack is gonna be 30. Defense 30. Speed 40. Because he's a fast boy. Alright, Omori data. Omori has stats already. I could just edit these, I guess. Max HP, I'll just do 200 as well. Max juice, 200. 150, 10. Experience, 100. Current HP is 200. Current juice is 150. Attack is going to be 35. Defense is 30. He's a pretty balanced character. I think he's a pretty balanced character. So let's see the stats load in. Very good. Oh, ooh, oof. Look at that. It all works. Beautiful. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Bloom, bloom. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead. I guess I can set their HP to max now. Omori should go to 200. Current juice 101. All right, she's like a goddamn Tonka truck, so we're gonna slide her damage up a little bit. Yeah. Holy shit. All right, that's fine. You feel the crunch whenever she attacks all the time. So I'm gonna make sure we encapsulate that. I'm gonna go ahead and I think this file does not. Excuse me. Yes, it does belong to a repository. What do you mean? Working direct. Okay, something weird. Did I not set this up? Oh my god. Oh my god, I never set up a repository for this. That's insane. That's actually insane. Okay. I've been doing this all without a repository. Oh my god. Mad lad. Okay. Init commit, baby. I guess. That's what we're just gonna do. G push? I don't know. We can't push it anywhere because there's no repository. G log. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just have it locally. I'll just do it locally for now, and then I'll push it up later. No need to set it up at the moment. Beautiful. Can I get a beautiful? All right. Now we have the health and the stats working. So let's go ahead and set up. I think the next thing we want to do is take damage. Ugh. Take damage. Okay. Float amount. All right. So there's gonna be. I would imagine that we just kind of, you know, when we're taking damage here, we'll just. I don't know. Do we do like a subtraction of like whatever we have as defense? Should it just subtract from however much damage that they do? Maybe? I don't know. We'll do like the most simple damage calculation. Maybe this should also happen one level lower. I think, because stats. I think maybe this should happen on this level due to the fact that the enemies also have stats. And then I just want one universal method that kind of encapsulates all the behavior. Okay. Everything also just kind of interface to it, I think. Okay, so that's fine. Take damage. Damage. 2 take equals. What is this? How did this even compile? This should be amount, and then this should just be an int, I think. Defense minus amount. Or amount minus defense. I need to do it the other way. Amount minus defense. And then this should be, I should have clamp I value min max. The min should be 0. The max should be amount minus defense. I think that works. Let's imagine. All right, example. So we're gonna take 10 damage and we have 8 defense. 10 minus 8, so we have 2, and then it'll take the 2 over. Yeah, it'll take the 2. Now, what if we have 10 attack and then 12 defense? So that'll be a negative number. Maybe we need to do the max instead. I'm so curious if that works with negative numbers, but I'm just gonna do max. Because this should just work. Yeah, this should just work. Okay, so damage to take. If damage to take is greater than 0, oh, we should probably print out maybe the amount of damage that was taken. Or no, we don't need to. Actually, we'll just put out the signal. I think that's fine. Var HP current health. Is it current HP? It's current HP. HP equals max I. Damage to take minus current HP. Or I keep doing this backwards, man. Current HP minus damage to take. And then this max is at 0. Okay. If current HP. Alright. Toasted. I'm gonna have toasted as the status. Current HP. Is 0, then we'll say God, save me, please. I'll be right back again. Hold on. All right, back. Wait, hold on. There we go. Just gotta make a call out to Lou real quick so he doesn't lose his streak. My dude had the triple digit streak. Make sure he knows what's going on. All right. Current HP. So we'll signal toasted, or we'll say toasted dot emit. Okay. So let's say. I think I want to emit this no matter what. Took damage, emit. Maybe I can say the amount that you took. I don't know. Just to have like. Maybe we could pop up the numbers. I don't know. Amount is gonna equal int. You'll never lose your streak. Good. They'll lose your streak. It didn't seem like you were in at all, so making sure you don't lose your shit. I think you and Dex are the only ones with triple digits, which is insane. You guys got the insane triple digit streaks. Don't let them live. Let them live. Cool. Has Pseudo tried your game? Has he streamed? Has he tried it on stream? Has he been befuddled by the puzzles? Toasted emit, took damage, emit. We'll start with this one, I think. Oh, whoops. I don't need to do var here. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yeah, I feel kind of cold. They've been getting feverish again a little. Man, being sick sucks. I used to love it when I was a kid. Play games all day, just feel slightly like shit. You get older, you just feel like shit and can't enjoy it as much. I don't know, it's not the same. You still have responsibilities. It's insane. Alright, cool. We get our resources in here. So let's go to the panel. I think the panel. Okay. So let's do player data dot player stats dot took damage connect. So we'll make another function here. Bunk. Took damage. Yes. And then we'll do stuffs with UI. So this will just be taken amount. And then this can just go ahead and be an int or lowercase int. Okay. Took damage. All right, cool. Amount is never using function. Yeah, screw you. Okay, took damage. So what do we do here? We wanna have an asynchronous tween. Feeling better today? Better than yesterday by a long shot. My voice, however, is an entirely different spot. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I caught. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It's a little rough. But at least I don't have a headache and nausea anymore. So we're good. We just have deep voice for stream. Deep voice. This only happens occasionally. I could be the announcer for an anime. Next time on Dragon Ball Z. The guy actually just sounds like that. It's actually insane. Hang in there, nah, I'm good. I just have a bit of a cough. No voice acting bow. You goddamn right. You goddamn right. It sounds so coarse. Insane. Alright, took damage. How's your game going, by the way? How's your game going? Looked like you were making some progress. We got some progress over here too. I got like all their health bars and stuff up with their stats. It's going along nicely, can't complain. Beautiful. We got our enemy here. I'm not gonna bother with fonts because screw that. I don't know, man. Screw it. So it took damage. There's a few things that happen in this game when you take damage. Reduce HP. If toasted. This should just be a separate signal. Reduce HP. We're getting there though. We're getting there for this. Toasted. Let's do funk. Toasted. Toasted is what they're called when they die. Alright. Player stats, took damage, toasted, boom. Let's just say underscore toasted. That's fine. Have you started using a lot of signals and stuff? Are you getting familiar with how it works? And when you do signals, are you doing it via the Godot UI or are you doing it programmatically, kind of like this, where you do a signal.connect? I found that this kind of method for connecting signals has been very good. The other way, there's a little bit of magic in it, and sometimes it doesn't seem to work, and I don't know why. So I hooked them all up via code. That way there's no magic, and if something goes wrong, I'm entirely to blame, not Godot. Signals and button clicks, yeah. Yeah, that's the way to start. I mean, once it starts biting you in the ass, then you'll go ahead and probably do it programmatically. But if you haven't seen that yet, then you're probably fine. I don't know. I could have just done something stupid. I don't know. But it definitely... it messed with me. Print. Toasted. I need to implement this. So this will change the portrait. Change portrait to toast. Change portrait to toast. All right. There we go. Ass biting sounds unpleasant. We'll avoid it. Yeah, it is kind of unpleasant. I mean, unless you're into that kind of thing. But like, I don't know. I'm not one to judge. God, my voice is starting to crack a little bit. Okay, took damage. Maybe I drink a little water. Okay. Maybe. Oh, I feel chills a little bit. I got the sick chills. But I have like no fever, so it's weird. I have chills but no fever. How does that make sense? Is my house just cold? Player data. So let's go ahead and take some damage now. So we need to update via text and progress bar. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Need more steam for the bow. You goddamn right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is probably... I'm gonna make the enemy attack a random person for a certain amount, and we'll see how much it does. Okay. So let's do the HP reductions. So let's do health bar, that value equals Um, we don't need to use the amount here due to the fact that we can just grab it from the player stats. The only reason I have amount here just so I can have a little pop-up later that shows like the damage, like in a crunchy kind of way. That's kind of cool. That's what they do in the game. They actually pop up. They have damage pop-ups, and that's what we can use it for. But I don't need to use it for setting the value itself. I could just go to player data.stats, player stats, dot current HP, and then we'll do health text dot value. I feel like I can go ahead and func set health text. This should be a function. Current HP. This is gonna be an int, and then max HP, which will also be an int. Let's go ahead and do that. Nope, I'm not even gonna call this a health text. I'm gonna call it set progress text. I think we'll call it this current max. That way I can use it for juice too. I think that'll be good. Let's make this a void. Bum 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 bum. Getting some more steam though. I'm gonna call this set progress test. I'll just do it all there. Screw it. Health bar at max value. Health bar at max value equals max. And then health bar dot value equals current. Can we pass in this would need to be like an extension method or something. Never mind. I'll have to make one of these for never mind. Screw it. No, wait. I can get a min and a max combined. Alright, I'm just gonna do... Man, I'm overcomplicating this. Let's stop overcomplicating this. I'm trying to do dry, which means do not repeat yourself, but you know what? I'm gonna repeat the hell out of myself. I'm fine with this. Set progress. Set stat. Set, not stats. Set stats text. So I can do this one. This returns a string. Wait, is a lowercase string? I don't even know, man. No, okay, cool. Okay, what's the thing that I was using here? Okay, cool. Let's go down 21, and I could just do this. Current. Yeah. Max. There we go. I'm referencing these things so much that it's like, it's not good, man. But I don't care, man. And this shouldn't be set stats text. This should be get stats text. There we go. Yeah, I think that's fine. Get stats text, and then this should be Whoops. Player data. Dot player stats. Dot. Maybe I just make a shorter reference to it. Player stats. Stats. Okay. I'm just gonna do stats actually. Stats. And that way I can reduce a lot of the stuff. So let's do that. Boom, boom. Health bar, max value. So stats. Where do I set the player data? Boom, boom, boom. Do I do it when I build it? Player data, I do. Instance dot stats equals data dot player stats. All right, there we go. So now I don't need to set it up here. We'll go ahead and do that. So this should just be now stats dot max HP. Oh, so much better. Stats dot max juice. All right. Stats dot. Okay. Stats dot current juice. All right. Set the text is gonna be health text is gonna equal stats dot current HP stats max HP. Okay, I'll do it again. Get stats text, and then this is gonna return the string, which is stats dot current juice stats dot max juice. All right, boom, boom. Hook these up. Health bar dot value. I can tween these things now. Bar tween equals get tree dot create tween dot set asynchronous parallel. Is that what I want? Parallel makes the next tween set parallel. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So I want my tweens to run parallel, which means that you'll see the HP dropping at the same time in the text as well as the progress bar, and they're not going to happen one by one. They'll happen together, and that's why I'm kind of doing this. And so what we do is tween dot let's do tween property. Object is gonna be boom, boom, boom. I kind of want to make the health shrink down, which would be kind of cool. So instead of just setting it like this, I want to tween it. Health bar. Let's do value. Is gonna be data dot current HP. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and set the duration, which I don't know, let's just do like 0.3 maybe. Data not declared in current scope. Oh, this is stats. Whoops. And then we'll also do health text. Text equals stats. This is also going to be like get stats. Get stats text. Oh, the final value is going to be Oh shit, wait. So how are we gonna do this? I know that I could change the value over a certain duration. I just don't know what I can do for the numbers. So maybe we'll have to make the numbers a little bit differently. Yeah. But maybe these will have to be two things. Yeah, let me separate them into like two different things. I think this would be the way to do it. So let me duplicate this. Health text. I'll say this is gonna be health text max. Health text. Current. Alright. So let's do 100. This can just be like a B box or H box container. I think that's probably fine. Okay, let's do that. Where'd it go? It should be up there, okay. How do we make it show up? Can layout custom minimum size. I kind of want to set them side by side. Why is it only doing? I don't get why it's not going out at all, I guess. 190. And then the current. We should do this one first. All right. Let's see. Do I need to set like a margin or something? Margin container. And throw these in here. Is this what needs to happen? Or yeah, okay. Margin container. Add child margin container. Okay. Put that up here. Health tax max. Margin container 2. So this one's gonna just be stretching out all the way. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get rid of the separations. HBox container theme overrides constant. Separation is going to be 0. There we go. Okay, we can make this a little bit bigger. Can I set this to just fit the content, like? It'd be cool if I could set this to fit the content, but I'm not sure that I can. There's got to be a way, right? There's got to be a way. Okay, I'm gonna make a divider. It's gonna be just the slash. Boom. That doesn't seem to be... No auto wrap, okay. Horizontal line, vertical line, okay. Okay. Maybe we got something here. Hold on. Let's do off 190. Right. Off. So maybe I can just make the divider itself smaller. I don't know. Yeah, no. I can just automatically change the size. Let's do that. Let's see how it fits. Where do I scale it? There we go. Oh, there we go. Ooh, there we go. I can just do that. Oh, okay. Put this to the right. Fit content. There we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Dun, 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 dun. Do I even need these now? I don't know. I don't think I need them anymore. Let me just delete these margin containers. It's alt text current divider. All right, this one should be right. Shrink end, fit content. There we go. Alt text max. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. So now I should be able to update the numbers. Wait, hold on. I say like I do like 1,000. Yeah. That's not what I want. I want it to be hugging the right side instead of hugging the left side. Question is, how do I do that? How do I make it grow to the left? I think it would have to grow to the left, yeah. Oh, that might be the text options. Hold on. Put it back, come on. What's going on here? Stop. This is all in the wrong spot. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So health text max. Horizontal alignment right. Trim spaces before. How do you set the grow? Is there a property for grow? Shrink. Expand. I feel like there's a place that you could set the direction that text expands. I just don't remember where it is. Um. Wait. It's fine. No. Okay, I could probably Google this. Grow text from right to left. This probably like a horizontal alignment to end. That's not it. There's a long one. Set scale to -1. You have to change the position of the texture rect too. You can use a shader to duplicate. That's super hacky. I don't want to do that. Control scaling, is that a thing? Turn that off. Right, so this just does that. Alright, this is being a pain in the ass. Colors, themes override theme, accessibility, input, focus. I don't know what that is. Alright, localization. Is that what we're gonna do? No. Shortcut key enable, horizontal alignment. What's this? Rich text effect? Oh. Never mind. I'm kind of stuck here. What do we do? I'm kind of stuck. Shrink end. I would imagine that shrink end and expand would do the trick, right? Because like we're starting at the right side and we're expanding. So it should only go left, I would imagine. Why is that not even set? What the hell? I don't know, man. This also grows it to the... Oh, the H-box container. Maybe it's the H-box container. Hold on. um. Layout direction is right to left. Okay, so let me see what happens if I change this now. 1,000. Oh, yes. No, but we're getting there. Wait, this is the max. Oh shit. This needs to be on the other side, alright? Wait, no, these are on the right side. It's just... Okay. Oh, I see. If we're doing like this, then we have to put in this order. Okay, there we go. So health text current is on the left. All right, so let's slide this boy to the right. Crap. Let's just get rid of the anchor preset, all right? Let's set the anchor preset to the bottom right. Bottom left. Okay. Alright, health text max. Jeez, it's taking way longer than I thought it was going to take, alright? It's taking way longer. Alright, cool. H-box container. Alright, let's do the size. It's going to reset. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We got it. We got it. I think we did it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and set these. That took way longer than I thought it was gonna take, but we still did it, so we're good. All right, let's go ahead and just set some default text here. 1 out of 1. I don't know, man. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and duplicate this guy. Health, H-box, juice H-box. Okay, and we'll do the same thing. So we'll just call this one juice text max. Juice text max. Divider. Rename. Juice text current. And we'll go ahead and access this unique name. We'll go ahead and delete these guys over here. Juice text is gone. Okay. Transform. Let's do the position down. Okay, very good. We freaking did it. All right, that took forever, but we freaking did it. Okay. Now, we don't need to fight anymore. I don't need get stats text anymore. We can get rid of that guy. Don't need you anymore. Jude health text. Health. Fine, this one. Max. Max, it'll do current. Health, max, text max. Oh, okay, I did these backwards. Whatever. Current. Okay, okay, juice. Juice. Max. Text. Boom, bada, bada, boom. Bum, bada, bada, boom. Max. Current. Alright. Max. And current. There we go. Health text. Max. That health. Okay. Go stats. Dot max HP. Boom. Boom. Dex freaking just winning casually over here. Stats. Dot current HP. Or. Yeah, I feel the stuffs. We're about to have it. Health, max text. Juice, max text. If that's that max juice. Alright. Oh, yeah, I'll make this, boom. Alright, health, current text, boom, dot text equals str of stats dot current HP. Boom, copy paste. Juice current text is gonna be stats dot current juice. Alright, there we go, and that's all set. Now we can finally set it over here, tween property. Stats dot current HP, health bar. This one's fine. Health text dot text. Okay, text. Health current text. Text is gonna be str of stats dot current HP. Boom, and then we should see the HP drop. All right. So let's go ahead to enemy, battle enemy. So enemy turn. And then we'll go ahead and we'll have to be able to reference the, we'll have to reference the, I guess the battle. I'm using init here. Nice. Targets is gonna be array of battle player. Okay. Print attacking. Who is it gonna attack? Attacking target. Target equals targets dot random. Pick random. There we go. Yeah, it's easy. Target dot player data dot player target stats. Why target battle player okay. Target dot data name, player name. All right, there we go. So it'll say who they're attacking. Okay, and then we'll do card dot player data dot deal take damage or player data player stats. Battle player. I think it should just, I should have a stats thing here. Wait, hold on. I shouldn't have to call this. Target.stats. Battle player. Oh, no, it's, wait, what? Wait. Well, what was the file I was editing before? Was it player data? No. What in the hell? What? Oh, I was doing the panel. Okay, I see. Fine. Player data dot player stats dot take damage, and then this would be stats dot attack. Boom. So this should actually just do it. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and go to the main battle thing. There's going to be an error now for enemy.act. Or no error, because, I don't know. Players.filter func e.is alive. Okay, cool. So this does all that now. Okay. What is going on here? Okay, so we're good. Let's do some enemy stats now. So we'll make a battle enemy. Omori. Enemy is gonna have Omori data. Alright, no. So I'm still instantiating all these like this. It's not breaking, which is kind of interesting, I guess. But I don't think they need to be nodes. Oh no, they do. I'm using timers. All right. Oh, I don't know. Maybe resources can use timers too. Maybe they just can't get the tree. They could probably create a timer. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. So let's make enemy data. I'm gonna give the enemy like 100 attack. Create new. This one's gonna be a scene script resource. Stats. Or data. Player data. This should take an enemy data. For now, I'm just gonna make stats, because screw it. And I'll pass the rest of them later. Okay, stats. Enemy stats. So we'll just work on renaming all this later. I just want to get something working first, and then we can organize after. Rename. Blah, blah. Alright, let's do pseudostats. Script. Drag you in. Alright, pseudostats. And this takes a stats thing. So let's do pseudo stats. Alright, there we go. Enemy has some stats now. Max HP, let's do like 500. Max juice, 500. Level 10. Oh. Current HP equals. We're gonna make it max 500. Current juice is 500. Attack is gonna be 100. Defense is gonna be 20. Speed is gonna be 0. Oh, I don't think speed matters here because there's only one enemy. That's all right. All right. So now it should be attacking us, and it should be doing damage. Okay, here we go. All right, it failed. Beautiful. Okay, so act node-based battle enemy does not have argument of array, does not have the same element type as the expected array argument. Okay, and what's the expected array argument? This is gonna be player stats. Was it? Oh, okay. Battle player. Here we go. All right, battle enemy. All right, there we go. All right, maybe it should work now. I'm gonna make it attack first. Actually, I'm just gonna make it attack only. All right, this way we can at least targets. It passed in an empty array, which is interesting. Players.filter. Okay, wait, stop. That doesn't make any sense. Let's go to Battle Manager. Let's check. All right, before this pulls it in, let's run it. Players. Okay, so this definitely has players. Player data. Omori stats. Current HP is greater than 0, so this should return it. So we have targets here, right? Why is it empty? Why is it empty? Whoa. That's weird. What does the filter return? It returns an array. Okay. Okay, round 2. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say this is an array. This seems super. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Filter doesn't return the correct array type, is what it seems like. So that's kind of unexpected behavior. But I can probably do this. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, that's kind of wonky. All right. So targets, it's still empty. What? Okay, maybe I'm just doing something stupid. Turning me into a taco, how dare you? I know I'm delicious and all. But not like this. Bubble. Ba-bum. Ba-bum. Well, now I'm even more delicious than I was before. I got the spice. All the spice you could ever ask for. I'm gonna dip that real quick. Okay, let's do that. 2 attack equals that. 2 attack. All right, I'm just gonna put a breakpoint here, man. Let's see what we get. Is this just like a bad query? It could be. Yeah. All right, it's a bad query. Why? Why is it returning nothing? What happens if I do this? Oh. Do I have to return? Wait, no. Because I didn't have to... Hold on. Attacking Omori. It kind of worked. It kind of worked. Wait, hold on. Hooray. Battle player. Okay. Okay, wait. Alright, so 2 attack is now returning 4 things. It's because I forgot to return. Why is this working? Okay, so we have battle player attacking Omori. 100 minus defense, so this is gonna be 70, right? Current HP is gonna be 70 minus, I think it's 200, so 130 or 120, whatever it was. Took damage that emit. If current HP is equal to 0, then return. Okay. Enemy die acted. Acted die emit. Alright, so this awaits it. It did the thing. Error, took damage. Emit. I didn't print out the amount. Okay. Took damage. Damage. Damage to take. That's probably fine. Okay. There's probably a problem with negative numbers there, but I'm okay with that. Attacking Kel. Oh, there you go. It did damage. Hell yeah. Look at that. It did damage. I didn't see it. Oh, yep. There it is. I see the HP is dropping. Nice. Nice. I could do a wait. Let's do a wait on this now. Wait. Wait, create timeout. Let's just do that. Attacking hero. It's just never going next. Print. Battle ending. Boom. Hell yeah. I think the battle might be ending because I didn't do it right. There it is. Yeah, that's what's happening. Okay. Oops. That's fine. Let's undo this. And then I'll await the... Oh wait, enemy that acted. Oh. If to attack. So we can also do a thing here. To attack. If there's not any of these, then we'll just do a break. I'll just do a continue, man. Whatever. I don't know if break is gonna. Is it just gonna break out of this for loop? I don't know. All right, let's do return. Okay, return. So you have to do a return here. That's my major issue. It looks like the battle ended again. Okay, so let's do end battle. Print. Ending battle. God. All right, something's wrong here. I just don't know what. Player 1. Enemy 1. Something's happening here. Oh, am I just not emitting the signal? That's what it is. Acted.emit. Okay, we're good. There we go. And now it's actually just killing them. Perfect. 0, 0, 0. Impossible. Pseudo has wiped the battle. This voice. This voice is indeed here. Welcome in to the deep steamy cocoa. I am still a little sick, you know, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Pseudo, how does it feel? You just wiped out the team. Does it feel amazing or what? You actually just wiped out the team. There it is. You actually just killed everybody. Bum 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 bum. Boom boom boom. So I think that's good. I think we're at a pretty good spot here. This voice though. Are you jealous? Do you wish that you could have a voice like this? Oops, let's let's close this for a second. Hold on. Blum, 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 blum. I can pass in the enemies that I can attack, I think. So what I would need to do is queue up actions here. But I think I'm just going to get them to act first. That'd be the easiest thing to do. Then later I could just return an array of actions and then iterate through the array. And I think that would be the way to do it. That would absolutely be the way to do it. And then each step in that action queue, I could check if each enemy is alive every time it goes through the queue to see if it could still attack the same target or if it will attack a different target. So let's go ahead and push this in here to attack, and then this will be battle enemy. Enemies. Okay. To attack. There we go. Let's do enemies. An array. Battle enemy. And there we go. From here, it would just be like setting up the selection and stuff. But before we even start the battle now, we need to initialize the battle. So I'm just gonna like, I do need to set up the enemy health bars as well. I don't know how it looks in game though. Which means, let's start up Omori. Let's start it up. Let's start up, boy. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. Alright, let's turn that off. Let's do it, boy. Continue. We could probably just go to the dream areas. We'll just go over here. There we go. Where's the music? What the hell? Alright. So on select, there's like this little border that blinks on and off. Okay. This is like a stacked menu. No. Wait. Look at that goddamn menu. Look at that goddamn menu. Okay. Reversed. Oh, fine. That's funny. Reverse mermaid. All right. That's what they're called. I never realized that they had their names backwards and everything too. So you can kind of see that when you select, there's a little highlight that goes over there. There's a little highlight that goes over the thing. So first I'll have to do... Yeah, I'll focus on the enemy HP later. I'll have to do like the actual selections first. All right, I'll turn back on the music. Screw it, because can you do some different music though? The music is a little too dark for me. Stop. Enough with minor scales. We need some music. Let's see. Game Chops usually has okay stuff. Let's see what they have live. It's usually Lofi. That's fine, I think. Boom, boogie, bam, 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 bam. Break it down. Boom, boogie, back, boogie, boogie, bam, bam. All right, so like I think we're actually on track with this. This is looking pretty good. Pretty good reenactment. What I could probably do after this is I could probably post this on Reddit. Be like, hey guys, I remade Omori and Godot. Check it out. I'm sure people would like this. Boom, no. Like that's just attacking them. There we go. So this is not too bad. I think we should go ahead and oh, the friggin' game is just like okay, it's just gonna be in the background wherever I go. That's fine. That's fine. Geez, my throat is starting to hurt a little bit. Maybe I need to relax more today. I don't know. Maybe I won't be playing Enshrouded today then. I need to just lay down and not talk at all, I think, later. Bum 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 bum. You cack. No, you're a cock. No, you are. No, you. I think we're good here. Received too many arguments. No, I didn't. We literally returning the right stuff. LSP restart. Like, I don't know why this is like complaining. It can bug off is all I can say. All right. Okay. Head hurts, help. Are you sick too? I was dying yesterday. I had the worst headache in the world. Holy shit. Well, take some meds if your head hurts. Alright. Feature. Let's do health and juice bar. Take damage and tween values. There we go. Let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Boom. Oh, that's right. I don't have a repository for this right now. God, help me, please. Please. Help me. Help me. Help me. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is, let's go to the to-do file, notes. Oh man, you sick too much. This is what happens when you have kids, right? You have to go around other kids and they're all sick. And you just get sick, all right? It's like, I usually get sick like once or twice a year. But now that I have a child, it's once or twice a month, it feels like at this point. It's usually not this bad though. She's gonna be 4 soon and she still puts everything in her mouth. It's crazy. She's building up that immune system. I guess building up mine at the same time. Pocari Sweat heals all. You'd like to imagine, right? Alright. Present dialogue. Can't run, nerd. Alright, so let's do the actual menu. It's time to actually menu. Holy shit. Exciting things are about to happen. Wait, why? I can't see the top of my thing. Flu, Pocari Sweat. Sad, Pocari Sweat. Broke, Pocari Sweat. Do you have the flu by any chance? Maybe you should drink some Pocari Sweat as well. I don't know what the hell I have, but it felt like a flu yesterday. Today it just feels like a cold. Well, like a slight flu. Because like I don't normally get headaches with colds either. Like that's pretty abnormal. I was thinking maybe it's corona. Funny. I actually did a COVID test though, just in case. I wanted to check. The answer is no, it's not COVID. I think it's just like a flu or something. Like, it's like not even like a terrible flu. Like I've had terrible flus before and I was messed up for like 2 or 3 days. Non-stop headaches. I feel like I want to barf like every other second. Mud butt out the wazoo. According to WebMD, I have 15 types of cancer. Oh shit. How about according to ChatGPT? How many cancers do I have according to that one? Tried Vapor in the neck. Vapor? That'd probably be all right. Vapor would probably be good. I'd probably take a long steamy shower today. Oh, speaking of, I have Vicks. You're right. I could do Vicks. Vicks. Oh wait, hold on. That is. Thank you. I'm gonna put some on right now. You're back. Wait, what the hell? This song's like, last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. Traditional meds, trust, they're like magic pills. I mean, I took something yesterday for nausea, and it tastes like, what was it? Ginseng. It had like a ginseng kind of flavor to it, and my nausea went away, which is kind of insane. It tastes terrible, but like nausea did go away. They are magic pills. Medical advice? Yes. I guess so. Forget modern in the neck and the nose holes. Yeah, my nose is actually okay, surprisingly. If I put in my nose too much, then my eyes are gonna be poru. My eyes are gonna be burning. So I'm gonna lay off the nose. My nose is alright though. It's mostly just my throat. My throat is just kind of messed up a little bit. Traditional meds. I mean, I took a mix. I think I had one thing that was like traditional meds, and I had another kind of. It was like a pill that was for stomach problems. So it's like take both of them. I don't know if it's because of the pill or if it's because of the other one or if it's because I took both. I have no idea, but the nausea did go away within like 30 minutes, and I was so happy. Like I'm not sure which one I hate more, nausea or headaches. Like they're pretty close. But I feel like at least headaches, it just feels like I'm dying a little bit. When it's nausea, I feel like I am just gonna die. It's weird. For the longest time, traditional meds always worked out better for me. I just raw dog any sickness sleeping. I mean, how do you sleep if you have like a really big head? Like if you have like a headache that just feels like you're slamming your head on the wall over and over again. You can't sleep through that. I mean, unless you can, but that would be pretty impressive. I can't sleep through that. It's just like my head is just banging. But sleep is kind of the cure-all, really. It's just how do you get to sleep if you're in extreme pain? Like I don't think I could sleep when I'm in pain. I'm gonna have a terrible old man life. I'll say that right now. They're probably loaded with a bunch of ginseng too. But that's pretty crazy to raw dog sickness by just like sleeping through it. I would love to, believe me. But I feel like I'm gonna barf. I can't even lay down. They better, else they're losing market share to some old lady with an alchemy pot. If you have a cough, nothing is gonna clear that up. Like some good opiates. You're goddamn right. We're about to get high over here. The pain makes me sleep. How? Can you sell me whatever you're smoking? Because that's insane. That's actually insane. Absolute giga chat over here. You're like, yeah, headaches make me sleepy. They do like the opposite to me. Like I can be tired. I feel a headache and I just can't sleep anymore. It's like, oh man. It's like I'm just laying there and I don't want to do anything with a headache. Like I'm actually like, you ever see like a depressed person just laying in bed? They can't get out of bed. They're just kind of laying there, can't move, can't do anything. That's kind of what I'm like when I have a headache, like a bad one. Like I don't want to do anything. I'm just laying there dying. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Okay. So let's make this is the main battle menu. All right, where is the I feel like we could turn this off now. We could turn this off now. Then text container, background. Ooh, where the hell is that? All right, so we'll call this main menu container. Main menu container, and this contains a VBox, and this VBox is going to ask for the opiates from your granny around the corner with the alchemy pot. Trust better facts. She give you a flower and tell you to bite the petals and eat some random seeds. The way it's traditionally done, baby. See, it was on the serious drugs. See, it was on the serious drugs. God, save me. Save me. Okay, so I think we'll just do like this start menu, maybe? Main menu container. Let's wait, let me get rid of the main menu container. Let's do, I'm just gonna call this menu container, actually. I think that's fine. Bum, blum. Blum, blum. Blum, blum, blum. Blum. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Okay, so this should start at the top, I think. How do we do from top to bottom? I don't want to do from bottom. Alignment top, alignment top. Okay, so let's check that out. No, that doesn't do at all what I was trying to do. Beautiful. And how does this do it? So when you do the everything stays in the same spot. That lowers. This just drops it down. Got it. Okay. This just drops down the whole thing. That's fine. Granny around the corner also sometimes uses leaves. Uses some juices to extract the leaf chemical. And it turns out it's good. Oh, magic white powder. Granny knows her shit. Yeah, you have to go to like the little countryside area. Just hit like a random shack and then you'll just find like all the acupuncture people. And also like the traditional medicine that may or may not kill you. I have actually gotten acupuncture from one of those places before too. I don't think it helped me. At the time, I was having like a lot of reflux and getting a lot of nausea. I was like, my friend was like, "Hey, try this out. Use Korean," and he believed in all that stuff. I was like, "Fine, I'll try it. I'll try it." And it turned out to be not good. Okay, so this just swaps out the menu. How do I make this align to the top? I'm bored of NFS Heat. Time to jump to the next game. Good. Jump to the next one. That sounds boring. Outer Wilds on stream right now. That's what you need to do. Outer Wilds. Wait, is it that is it that because the V-Box itself is shrinking? That is why. I see. It's because the V-Box is shrinking. Got it. So I think I get it now. Outer Wilds is a stream game, must wait for PC. Oh, that's right, you're waiting for a PC. How's that going? RAM search. RAM. 48 gigs of RAM, by the way. I'm just gonna... Just to tell gamer a little bit. It's actually 47.8 gigabytes of RAM. So 0.2 is missing, but that's fine. We're good. This is how a Coco install looks. You get the 48 gigabytes of RAM. That turns into 47.8. Sorry, I ate it. See, Lou's just kind of hungry. Go to Circus tab. Says I'm searching and not searching for RAM. Well, you should have bought them sooner. What were you waiting for? What were you waiting for? What's the current size? I'm just gonna set the size, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm just gonna call it a day. Oh wait, I could do this, right? I could do this, and then I could just slide down. Why is the left and right so big? I don't get it. Wait, hold on, I want to see something. Yeah, I don't know why the left and right are so big, but I'll go ahead and trim that, I guess. Menu container. This will be the whole. We'll center this. We'll send this to the bottom, and we'll set this to the top. And now, wait, hold on. Nope. Okay, wait. I mean, does it matter? What a freaking jam. Watch OpenAI implode and RAM prices drop to $10 for a terabyte. I mean, it's only a matter of time, I would imagine, unless they just keep getting unlimited investments. Like they're still like not even close to being profitable, right? Use a credit card and buy it. Listen, use a credit card, buy a bunch of them, then file for bankruptcy. Not legal advice. That way you can sell some as well. All right, so we got this. Oh, wait. I mean, I kind of want to do another menu that's kind of like this. Menu that's kind of like this, kind of like that. Let's just duplicate this, all right? Let's just go ahead and go like this. So we'll go ahead, disable that one. This is start menu. This is player menu. Player menu. Let's go ahead and add buttons to this guy. Boom, 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 boom. So when we add this in here, there's a attack, skill, toy, snack. Okay. So let's go ahead. Do I have enough time for this? Kind of. All right. Let's open up GAMP. This one's cheaper. Oh shit! Linking cheaper RAM. €400. 400 euros for 32 gigabyte. That's insane. Vengeance. It's taking a vengeance on your bank account. That kind of price. Blum, 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 blum. Bubbles and numbers. Blah, blah, dun, 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 dun. All right. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for attack. There we go. Let's do or let's go ahead and I do wanna why is my cropping not working like it was before? Like I don't understand. It was working before like this. I can go like this and go to a new thing. But no. It's just copying all of it. Why? Why is it doing that? Okay, and GIMP, how the hell do you copy and paste this section? Like this, I swear to God, this used to work. Okay, whatever. This is not what I wanted to do. Absolutely not, but... You think people live under a rock? Some people do live under rocks. I live under a rock sometimes. I think more and more I might buy a pre-built. I mean, how much does it cost to get a pre-built? Is it like a lot cheaper? I was just trying to like, I want to section off these buttons one by one and just kind of cut them out. But for whatever reason, the I used to be able to I used to use this crop tool. I I used to go ahead and copy it and then make a new canvas and then just kind of paste it there. But that doesn't work anymore for some reason. I have no idea why. Did a setting change or something? Oh, you could right click it. Wait, hold on. Okay. File. Edit. Edit, paste. I'm not saying paste. Oh, wait, over here. Paste as new image. Control Shift V. Oh, Control Shift V. There we go. What? What just happened? Stop. Okay, I'm just gonna do it from here. Paste as. I mean, I pressed this command. New image. What the hell? You should use the select tool. Okay. Let me. Not the crop. That's probably a respectable answer. Which one select? Free select? Is there just a regular select tool? You can change free select. Okay, got it. Okay, scissors select. I don't know. No. That's not what I want to do. What's foreground select? I don't even know. No, that's not what I want either. I don't know. The select is not. How do you select like squares? Mode. How do you do squares? I could just Google it, I guess. GIMP select square. You can tool selection tools rectangle. Tool selection tools rectangle select. Tool selection tools rectangle select. Oh, it's this one. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Maybe I was using this one before. I accidentally changed. Okay, cool. That's not what I wanted to do, but I can do Control C now, Control Shift V, and perfect. Crop to content. There we go. Ah, yes. Yes. Why not use snipping tool for that? I don't know, man. I'm just doing this. I'm just doing whatever works. Attack button. Oh, no. We're not saving the documents. You better get the hell out of here. Attack button, next one. All right, next one. Let's just make sure we select high enough. All right, there we go. Okay. Control C, Control Shift V, bam. And then it'd be nice if I had a shortcut for crop to content, but like it's fine. Because I'm probably gonna be using this a lot. So let me shortcuts. Oh, 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 oh. Budgie with the win. We had a relatively long stream today. We started a little bit early. I woke up at like 5 something. I was like, I can't sleep, so let me just get up. Drink water. Actually, Giga Chad move. Right, I do need to hydrate a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yum. Alright, there we go. Where the hell are the shortcuts? Preferences. Input. Where the hell are shortcuts? File. Keyboard shortcuts. There we go. Rob. Do. App. I want to do Control-Shift-C. Copy visible. Yeah, I'm gonna reassign that. I don't think I'm ever gonna use that, so. Copy visible. Oh, it's disabled, alright. There we go. Okay, and then this is gonna be snack button, because you a snack. Okay. This one, get rid of this one. Boom, 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 boom. Not even 7 p.m. You want to pass out? Why? Why you tie so early? Try water, lemon, and salt is more good. Trust. Yeah, that sounds like a natural, nerd electrolyte drink. You nerd. All natural. Oh wait, I hear. Hold on, dog is scratching. Oh, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Mr. Doggy wanted to come out of the bedroom. So I freed him. I let him free. Control V, Control Shift V, Control Shift C, crop the content, Control Shift E, export. Alright, skill. So much easier. Because I'm going to be using these shortcuts a lot. Like an absolute ton. Alright, that was a skill, and now toy. I love me some shortcuts. Control Shift, Control C, Control Shift V, Control Shift C, and now Control Shift E, boom. And this is toy button. So much easier. Okay, now we have all our buttons. Okay. Button, 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 button. Or buttons to rule them all. I'm just gonna separate this into folders, alright? This is gonna be menu buttons, alright? Here we go. Attack button. Okay. Fight button. Skill button. I'll probably organize these more later if I need to do any more. But for now, this is probably good. Toy button, run button. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 buttons, so that's good. So let's go ahead and add the buttons now. Attack button is boom. Attack. Perfect. And this is gonna have a child node of HBox container here, which is gonna be fight button. Do I need a HBox container? Can they just align from left to right? I'm a little bit curious. And then this one's gonna be, what's the order? Let's look. Discard. Attack. Attack skill, snack toy. Attack. I'll do this after. Attack, skill, button. Boom, 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 boom. Attack, button. If I get right, that'd be amazing. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and this attack, skill button, textures. No, I think I need to do it in there. All right, that's fine. Okay, there we go. Attack skill. What happens if I duplicate this? It just goes. What if I can... Can you set the HBox container to go to a new line over... Like, if there's overflow or something, and you set like a min size or something. Doggy Frito scratching on my door now to come in. You nerds, you nerds. Doggy Frito is in the house. I'm a little curious. I mean, I know I could just do the, I'm a little curious because like I have to go down, right. Like I have to go right, down, left, up. Like these directions have to work in the right order. So I need to make sure that they're lining up correctly. And the question is, how the hell do you do that? That one I don't know. Is there like an expand size layout? That's the minimum size, transform. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. All right, that's not working. I'm just gonna do it outside of this. So let's just make another one of these. That's fine. Because I could just do this, and then the next button is snack toy. Snack toy. Snack button. Toy button. Okay. All right, there we go. Texture, snack button, toy button. There we go. There we go. All right. And then, so let's see. This one is going to be player menu. Start menu, player menu. Okay, so these things have to go invisible depending on what happens. So let's do that. Start menu, player menu. Bum, ba bum bum ba da dum, bum 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 bum. So let's do it so that if you're in the player menu, if you click fight, if you click fight, then you'll open up the player. Let's just start with that. Let's start with easy. Let's start with these two. Access as unique names. All right. Fight menu, run button. Okay. Fight button, run button. Start menu. Well, accesses this as unique name too. Access this as unique name. All these buttons need to be accessed as unique name. All these need to be accessed as unique name. Okay. So, we'll start here at the top. Let's just get the variables in there. Oh shit, it's 9 o'clock. All right, well, it's a shame. I do need to run, but we'll continue on this next time. I mean, like, we're making some progress here. We're making some good progress here. Enemy attacks, boom. We need to play like animation when they get attacked too. That should be good. And it is attacking everybody, so that's good. All right, so this is a good place. What's your motive for creating the Omori battle system? Thanks to Stream Nerd. Well, thank you for joining in on Stream Nerd. My motivation for creating the Omori battle system was because I also, like, we're also making an RPG, but like, I feel like I'm just kind of getting stuck on how to implement stuff. And I feel like if that's also due to like me not having an entire feel for like how to do this kind of thing in Godot or anywhere actually, because I've never done this kind of thing before. I'm just using it as a learning experience, a fully fleshed out solution that I know all the details for and that I could just test out stuff like for a finished kind of version of it. So I can make all this, figure out how it works, and then maybe flesh out mine a little bit more and be able to fully implement it. Because I was struggling with fully implementing my own, because I feel like I was kind of struggling with what I wanted to do and then like how I could do it. My brain is just going everywhere. So that's the reason I do it. It's kind of a learning experience. I'm probably going to post it on GitHub, on Reddit or something when I finish, because I'm sure some people appreciate this. It won't be the best, I'm sure, but like it's fine. A little bit better. My voice is really bad though. It's really low. Oh yeah. All right. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'm heading out. Let's do let's do raid. Where are we going? Raid. All right, where are we going? Who's on? Memory Carp? We haven't done Memory Carp in a bit. Let's do Memory Carp. You think Donkey Kong Country? That's cool. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Thank y'all for joining in. Peace-a-roni. Uh-oh. Is he leaving? He's leaving. Never mind. Cancel raid. Never mind. Let's do a raid. Someone else. Let's just go to Hypno. Our roads lead to Hypno. I'll see you guys later. Peace, Aroni.